Okay, this is just a quick video on unboxing and changing out SD card on a Samsung Tab A 8-inch model. First off, for the first time, use a box knife and very gently cut the tape. Flip her over, move the lid, and here is the tablet itself. It comes in a little anti-static cloth to keep things nice. There is tape to keep the flap closed. Make sure as you take it in and out that you don't get the tape on your tablet. In the box you're going to have a high amp power adapter, cable for charging. I recommend using the one that comes with it unless you have a high amplified power block. Now, warranty information, other stuff in this, but what we're going to need is this little key. I should say, when you get it the first time, if you get the bundle from Costco or Sam's Club, this model is coming with a 32 gig secondary storage, which normally you want to try to use that more than the internal. Bottom of it, speakers, volume up, down, and control, power button. I think this might be an earphone plug. And you can just see it here. You got a little SD card, and you take this paper clip thing from the back here of that little box. You push it in here, and then you pull the little SD tray out, and you would put in your memory card. Now I had put this in earlier and I didn't have any volume, so I'm redoing it. But all you do is slip that critter in here very gently and put it back in, push it in, and there we go. I'll go ahead and box this up and ship it off. Thank you again.